Okay, guys, so we got a little mini, oh, please excuse my nail, but we got a little mini tropical storm coming. So I'm going to go grocery shopping for it. And you know, we kind of just would prepare for a tropical storm like we would a hurricane. But I already had a few things. Well, I already had a bunch of water. Let me say that. I already had a bunch of water. Not a bunch, but a good amount of water. So I'm just going to get like a case or two of water. Not that much water. Just like a case or two of water. And then really pile up on the snacks. So that we could be prepared, you know, to make sure that we eat or have the stuff that we need to eat. So it's gonna be a big grocery haul. This is why I brought you guys with me, so that we can make sure, so that we can get some good stuff. I know that it's gonna be interesting, so that's why I'm like, let me bring them with me so that they can see a big grocery haul, because I know some people like to see big grocery hauls. I watch a big grocery haul too, actually. So I'm like, let me definitely do this. So today is hot as fuck. It's always calm before the storm. Right now it's definitely the calm before the storm, because it's beautiful out. It's so hot. I gotta crank this. I used to stop and get coffee, but now I don't even stop and get coffee because I'm not gonna be sipping on that shit in the store. So you know, ain't no point in stopping to get coffee. I can stop and get it on my way back, or I can get it and drink it on my way there. But then it's gonna be disgusting by the time I get in the car. So no, unless I get a little small. No, that's all right. That's just a waste. So I'm on my way to the grocery store. I will see you guys when I get there. You think she gonna be rude? I don't think she gonna be rude.
Probably not. You look cute and all. I'm done. But I'm done.
You said you look cute and all, but I'm done. Okay, y'all, so I'm home and I just unpacked all the groceries. This is the, what I want to say, receipt. Super long. It took me forever to finish packing up those groceries in the store. But now I'm just going to show you guys what I got. Oh, my camera is dirty. It's dirty. But let me show you guys what I got. Can I turn it? Water, pears, oranges, lime, ginger, spaghetti, mango slices. I'm gonna try these California rolls. Ranch dressing seasoning mix, 2 butters, honey roasted peanuts, adobo, minced garlic, panko breadcrumbs, strawberry kiwi, mozzarella string cheese. I'm gonna try to make some mozzarella sticks. Lobster roll dip. Gonna try this. Never tried it before. Did I say the strawberry kiwi juice? Corn, sweet corn, sour cream, Parmesan cheese, pineapple chunks. Damn, this is Tibbetts. Tomato, basil, and garlic sauce, which is basically just red sauce. Colby Jack cheese. Penne pasta. Chicken broth. 2, 1, I don't know what the other one, oh, there it is. 2 Alfredo sauces, because 1 is not enough. I need at least 2. Guacamole, home style, and it's medium. The other one they have is mild. Blue corn chips, a frozen cheese stuffed crust pizza, garlic powder, onion powder, heat and serve breakfast sausages, cream cheese, provolone cheese, honey, raspberry lemonade, vegetable oil. This is the Aldi brand of what I want to say, Red Bulls, the sugar-free kind. Lemonade, almond milk, orange juice. Got 2 wines that's supposed to be really good. I got the watermelon wine and the pineapple wine. Me and my baby gonna try those. We got waffles. We got Clubhouse crackers. We got Texas toast. We got cinnamon toast crunch. Can't go wrong with cinnamon toast crunch. Is that everything on this? Yeah. Okay, moving on. Waiting on my man to get out of the way. We got, let me move this. We got spinach. We got romaine lettuce. We got 2 bags of broccoli florets. We got mini sweet peppers. Got Roma tomatoes. Got mini cucumbers. Got strawberries. Love strawberries. Got seedless grapes. Got a bag of onions, sweet onions. Got 3 bananas. Got Hawaiian sweet rolls. Got honey wheat bread. Got hamburger buns, potato rolls. Got eggs. Got tortillas. Got Garcia's sausages. Got lemon sliced loaf cake. Got Alaskan cod, the family pack. Hope it's good. Never had cod before. Well, I have, but I never cooked it, so I hope it's good. Got got ground beef, the roll. Got hash browns. I like to put hash browns in our eggs in the morning. Got bagels. Love bagels for a quick breakfast. Then we got leg quarters. Got chicken thighs. And we got chicken tenderloins, which is chicken strips. And I clean my meat with vinegar and lemons and limes. So I think that's it. So that's it. That is all the groceries that we got for. Oh, I want to show y'all my water that I already have. This is already my old stack of water. I hope y'all can see it good. My old stack of water that I already have. So I just brought one case, which y'all saw. So yeah, that's my grocery haul for a hurricane. And until the next one, peace. Syrup.